How to cancel order on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can cancel order on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to cancel order on Amazon, it is actually very simple, but it really depends upon whether the order has already been shipped or not. So all you have to do is simply go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Amazon application here. Once you launch the Amazon app, tap the little profile-like icon from the bottom of the screen here, and then just navigate to your orders. When you go to your orders, you will be able to see any sort of orders that you've already made. If the product has already been shipped, you will not be able to cancel them, but if it is still in the packaging process, then you'll find the option to cancel those orders respectively. This way you'll be able to cancel order on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.